Hello, it's Lisa here, Outdoor Learning Officer, and today we are meeting another tree. So this tree isn't in my garden, but I can see it from my garden, and it is covered in white blossom. You can always join in as well. So we have a few questions, and then hopefully at the end we'll know what type of tree we have. So if you want to join in, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and just listen in. So question number 1, what is my tree called? So don't worry if you don't know what your tree is called. Hopefully by answering these questions we'll find out what your tree is called. If you do know, perfect, write it down. Question 2, why do I like this tree? Why do you like this tree? I like this tree because it's rather small, it has really beautiful leaves, I really like them, and this blossom has just covered it, and there's quite a few of them, so it's really pretty to see all this white along the green. Question 3, what shape is your tree? It is rather small. It's not as big as my cherry tree which is next to it. It's quite shrub-like, so it's quite small. You can't see the branches that well, the leaves sort of cover it all. You can't see the trunk that well. Question number 4, what does the bark look like? The bark is quite brown, grey-like, it's got knots, and it's also got these tiny little thorns on the branches. Question number 5, what do the leaves look like?
The leaves are shiny, a bright green, they go to a point, and they have 3 to 7 lobes. So the lobes cut in about midway, and they are really beautiful leaf, one of my favourites.
Question number 6, what do the flowers look like?
The petals are a beautiful white colour. They grow in clusters. If you count the petals, there is 5 of them, and they have these lovely yellow middle to them.
Now that we've answered all them questions, can you tell me what my tree is? So my tree you'll find in woodlands or on hedgerow. My tree is a hawthorn tree. Hawthorn can support more than 300 insects. It is a food plant for caterpillars of moths. Its flowers are eaten by dormice and provide nectar and pollen for bees and other pollinating insects. The dense, thorny foliage makes a fantastic nesting shelter for many species of bird. The hawthorn shieldbug is the largest shieldbug and can be seen feeding on hawthorn. Also known as a May tree due to the blossom erupting in May. So once pollinated by insects, the blossom will turn into a red berry called a hawberry. The hawberries are rich in antioxidants and are eaten by migrating birds and small mammals. Hawthorn has ancient association with May Day. The original maypoles were made of hawthorn. Its leaves and flowers, the source of May Day garlands. Large leafy branches were cut and set in the ground outside houses as so-called May bushes and decorated with local wildflower. Using the blossoms for decorations outside were allowed, but there was very strong taboo against bringing hawthorn into the house. It was believed that bringing hawthorn blossom inside would be followed by illness and death. Hawthorn in some ways is a fairy tree. A famous Scottish mystic poet once met the fairy queen by a hawthorn bush which a cuckoo was calling. The hawthorn was one of, if not most likely, the tree to be inhabited or protected by fairies. Such trees could not be cut down or damaged in any way without incurring the often fatal wrath of the supernatural guardians. Thank you for watching, stay safe and stay wild.